To catch the bus, you need to stand at the right position, which is a point where locate the number of the bus stop. When you realize that the bus is coming in 200 or 300 meters away, you need to wave your hand and notice the driver. When the bus stops, you need to wait for the people on the bus to get off first, then it is your turn. During peak hour, there are lots of people waiting, and so sometimes you need to get in line to wait until your turn. When you want to get off, press the red button on the post to notice the driver, but in 300 or 500 meters before your intended bus stop. With tram or train, you don't need to wave your hand to catch them. Tram and train will stop automatically at the fixed stops when there are any passenger waiting. And the same, if you want to get off, you also need to press the red button in 300 or 500 meters ahead to notice the driver. However, in the free tour city center, you don't need to press the button.
It is quite important to know your tram, train, bus schedule to organize your journey. There are three main strategies.
First, you can use Google Maps Australia to find how to arrive your destination. Select your destination, select your starting points, select times of departure. It will show you various options using public transportation. They include the number of the bus, number of the bus stop, bus arrival time, journey time, and final destination. This is quite accurate, flexible, and easy to use. Secondly, you can go to the website of MetroMate to look for the schedule of the bus, tram, or train at the station from where you want to depart. It is more convenient to download the MetroMate apps, which are available in App Store, Play Store, or in the connection with the MetroMate website. With these apps, you can find the bus stop nearby and their schedules. This app automatically and continuously updates the real-time arrival of the bus, tram, or train.
Right now, I'm standing in Adelaide Railway Station, which is the head station of Adelaide. And on your way to the platform, you can check the schedule time of the train, which is on the screen just behind me. Approaching to the electric gate, we have to get our Metro card ready and always validate your card every time you use the service. And finally, waiting on the right lane of the train you want to travel. And to finish this episode, I will very quickly recap and reinforce some of the tips.
Always wave your hand when catching the bus, getting queue at stations at peak times. Give way for passengers who get off first, and then it is your turn. No foods or drinks in bus, train, or tram. Give way for the elderly, disabled, especially in the priority seat. Always present your ticket or Metro card anytime you're using the services. Reduce your voice when in the public transportation. Don't put your feet on the seat. And say thank you to the driver when getting off the bus or waving at them. This is saying that you appreciate the services, and this is the culture in Adelaide.